Hi, I'm Kim with Silicon Valley Disposition. Today we're at a major technology home building company in Hayward, California. You're not going to want to miss this sale. It starts this week, November 14th through the 16th. This sale features new, never installed building materials and appliances. It's truly an incredible offering. Let's take a look. New, professional, hybrid, ProTerra 40-gallon water heaters. Brand new GE microwaves, dishwashers, washing machines, and dryers. Pallets of galvanized coil steel, wood flooring, roof shingles, wood insulation, and so much more. These racks include new wall-mounted 5-zone air conditioners. For details and a complete sales catalog, come visit us at svdisposition.com.